guys, what's up? How's it going? This is Easy Pictures to Draw, and this is Halloween week. Well, not week, sorry, month. I don't know why I did that. And we're gonna go into Halloween drawings every day until Halloween passes. So let's get going. We're gonna start with a marker. It's gonna be very easy. Today we're doing a skull and crossbones. It's gonna be cute and it will be simple. So let's get started. We're gonna draw a circle. I'm gonna pull down, and you can make the teeth any shape you want. I usually tend to make them like marshmallow shapes. Usually I put 3, sometimes 4. I'm gonna throw this little mad sign, like angry eyes. Fill those in for the eye sockets. Then I'm gonna throw a rectangle here. And I'm gonna throw a little bit of a crack. I'm gonna try to draw with a thin line and think of like a lightning bolt. A lightning bolt. Or a vein. But it's a crack. And you can throw another one over here. Try not to make it the same though. Maybe a little bit less. Maybe a little bit different. Now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw right across here. Straight line. Almost like a heart shape at the end. Another straight line paralleling that. Then I'm gonna kind of imagine it through the other side. Another heart. Straight across here, another heart. And that's pretty much it. It's super easy, very, very simple, very cartoony. And what you could do is draw little tiny specks to kind of give it this minor detail. Anyways, that's pretty much it. But you can throw, like I said, little dots for details. You can kind of put them wherever you want. Try not to overdo them though. I think when you overdo them, they go kind of crazy. Maybe it looks like grain or something. But that's it. Thank you so much. If you liked that video, if you followed along pretty well, press that thumbs up. Also, please subscribe, and I'm gonna probably put a link in the first comment, in the highlighted comment, to let you know what's some cool goodies. So talk to you later.